This is chapter 26, number 7. Last weekend, Bob attended the university football game. Good luck. Bob must be made of cardboard. Anyway, at the opening kickoff, the crowd stood up. I don't know how the cardboard changed shape. Perhaps they run out, the attendants run out and put up cardboard stand-up. It's coronavirus cardboard fans. Anyway, let's proceed as if it's the regular world and the fans aren't made of cardboard. I'll start over. Last weekend, Bob attended the university football game. At the opening kickoff, the crowd stood up. Bob therefore realized that he would have to stand up as well to see the game. For the crowd, not the football team, explain the outcomes of a cooperative game and a non-cooperative game. Explain what Bob's tit-for-tat strategic behavior would be if he wished to see the game. I've actually felt this. I don't think it was for a football game, maybe a basketball game. I remember thinking these kinds of things as a fan, not about I don't think it was about the economics of it, just the fact that I was thinking, I'm a little tired of standing, but I have to stand in order to see the game. So, here's what I've put together. When the crowd stands up, you have to stand up to see. Now, one thing to note is that the crowd doesn't have a brain. It's not you and another player here. It's all the other individuals that make up the crowd. And they are each responding to their own set of incentives, which is also affected by the crowd, which includes you, right? It's made of individuals responding the same way. That's what the crowd is. So this is a non-cooperative game because each is responding to others responding to incentives. Since Bob, too, stands, this is his tit-for-tat behavior. Maybe I don't want to be standing up, but since you're standing up, I'm going to stand up. And it's not necessarily a retaliatory tit-for-tat behavior, although it can be in some other instances. It is just how it is because that's what you need to do to stand up. So because the crowd stands up, he stands up. That's the tit-for-tat behavior that the question is asking about because it's a non-cooperative game. He's doing what they are doing, even if he doesn't like it. If it was a cooperative game, the players would agree upon some behavior, standing or sitting. And it would probably be sitting because there are chairs there. And sitting is generally more comfortable than standing. Good luck seeing that happen if your team starts to win, especially if your team stages a comeback. We tend to then have an incentive to reach contract, perhaps in a cooperative game as well, but that's beyond the scope of this question. So it's a non-cooperative game. There's the tit-for-tat behavior is that Bob is likely to stand up because the crowd is standing up. The other individuals in the crowd are standing up, and he has to stand up in order to see the game. So hopefully that helps you answer the question.